Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a compatible adapter and the Gamecube pad. This is the hardware that lets the old controller speak to the Switch. Once you have the adapter, plug the controller into an adapter port, then connect the adapter's USB-A plug into a USB-C OTG cable and into the Switch. Make sure the Switch is powered on and not asleep, because the console enumerates new devices during startup. This prevents detection issues later and makes the connection immediate. Once done, check the adapter's mode. Set it to Switch/Wii U on multi-mode adapters so the console recognizes it as a controller. Then open the home menu, go to Controllers, and choose Change Grip/Order to prompt the Switch to enumerate attached devices. This helps if the controller does not show immediately. You do not need to pair like a wireless pad. The adapter exposes the Gamecube controller as a wired input, but forcing recognition makes the system register button mapping. And now test the controller in a game. Load a title and press buttons to confirm inputs. Gamecube layout is different, so make sure you know which face button is a versus B. If you need custom mapping, use the game's control settings or the Switch's support tools to remap. If the pad isn't detected, the single-key troubleshooting step is to swap the OTG cable for a known data-capable cable and reboot the Switch. Most failures are caused by a charge-only cable or the adapter in the wrong mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.